everyone, this is Ian and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox this beautiful Lancome 2017 holiday case. And I'm also going to use some of these products to create a 2017 fall/winter look. This video is definitely not sponsored by anybody since I just started my YouTube channel like a month ago. I didn't tell anybody I know about this channel. Basically, this is like a new journey for me. If you're new here, I want to say welcome and I really appreciate your feedback. I have always had a passion for styling and beauty products. And to me, life is like a system, so anything can be analyzed and improved. Why don't I start a YouTube channel? Because a lot of people have asked me, how did I lose weight? In case you don't know, I didn't look like this a year ago. I lost 60 pounds in a year. So I started this channel called Anne on Trend. And since day one, I started noticing I have a pretty bad RBF face. When I don't make an effort to smile, my face look like I'm about to kill somebody. So I constantly remind myself to smile. If I smile too long in front of the camera, I look like I'm having a stroke. But I like to evaluate and improve things, right? So in today's video, I'm also going to show you guys how I use this makeup to have a face lift up effect. So let's go back to the topic. So hopefully this RBF is not gonna be the end of my YouTube life. Let's go back to the topic. So this is what inside of that box. It's huge and pretty. Let's see what's inside. It said on the box that it includes 10 full-size items. Let's see, because a lot of times, you know, I just expect to have this sample size or travel size. Oh my god. Look. I mean, these two are the reason why I bought these, but the rest of it, they're really a huge bonus and it's a great deal. It's a perfect gift too. Like, except this perfume, the rest of it is like full size. I love it. Oh, okay. I just noticed something. So behind it, I was surprised. The makeup pouch. It comes with this like a little brochure or instruction. That's another reason I like. So it's like an instruction. First it's like a brochure and then they tell you how to apply the makeup. That's really neat. So they have the Genifique and it's actually 20 milliliter. Wow, that's one of their best. I can't shadow, and they also include 2 eyeshadow palettes. I believe one is daytime, one is nighttime. Let's see. Yep. So this is the daytime, very pink, and they also include a blush. And that's their nighttime. Oh my god, I love their nighttime. I love this green, this olive green. It's so trendy. A lip gloss and 2 full-size lipstick. Let's see. One is Natural Beauty, one is Love It. The color is really pretty, but I personally don't think it fits me. So here is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in that makeup pouch and send to my mom. I'm gonna wash my face, remove all the makeup, and then I'll be back in a second. I'm back. So I'm gonna use this night time eye palette. And definitely mascara and primer and prime. And I'll try to use this lipstick, even though I don't think they fit me. But since the eyeshadow is so dark, I think those neutral color probably the best choice. So the thing that bothers me is that I don't know if I say I have mono lid, you guys understand. But when the first time I tell my husband, I said I want a double lid. He said, "What do you mean by double lid? Everybody has a double lid." So I draw it, and he just can't tell the difference until one day we saw this YouTube. He's like, "Oh, you mean crease?" First, a lot of people try to put a tape or something, but it's just so easy to tell. And here's my secret: the eyelash glue to make my crease deeper. like to hear from you. What's your story behind your channel, and what is your best Black Friday haul?